Vivo is a company that clearly focuses a lot on the camera. It's in their tagline. So today the company released the much anticipated Vivo V9. And I'm sure the internet is filled with a lot of camera comparisons for this phone, but today we are going to give you a blind test for the Vivo V9 versus the Redmi Note 5 Pro. These are two phones that a lot of you might be looking to buy, and in this video you're going to choose for yourself who's your winner. Don't cheat. Let us know in the comments who you think is A and who you think is B. At the end of the video, you'll get to know the result. But if you can, please let us know in the comments which one did you think was A or B. Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and let's begin this blind test. Let's begin the video, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do that, and also click that bell icon right next to it so that you get notified for the videos that we put out. So those were the pictures, and I'm sure by now you might have decided a winner for yourself and maybe also decided on which phone you want to buy. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and I'll catch you in the next one.